So Reece Bathrooms has obviously been around for over 100 years, and we pride ourselves in providing our customers with customised service. Customers can come into our stores and really unlock their bathroom potential. So with that, we provide an inspirational setting, one that you'll see in the bathroom right here, where customers can come in and get a really great sense of what is possible in their bathroom.
And could you tell us how long has Duncan Thompson Extensions been working with Reece?
We've been working here at Burwood with Duncan Thompson for over 15 years. Steve, who is our key account specialist on Duncan Thompson, has been working with the account for over 7 years.
Would you mind explaining what a Duncan Thompson Extensions client can expect when they come into Reece Bathroom Life?
During that process, customers will come in and have their consultation with Steve, and Steve will work directly with the Duncan Thompson team. It's quite a seamless operation when you really think about it. The Duncan Thompson team, prior to a consultation, will send through all the plans, so Steve will kind of get all hands-on and understand the plan, really get to know it, and really prepare the questions that she wants to ask the customers when they walk in, so they don't feel overwhelmed. They actually feel like they're really in safe hands.
Would you mind explaining what sort of service a Duncan Thompson Extensions client can expect to receive when they come into Reece Bathroom Life?
To kick off the process with Duncan Thompson Extensions, a customer can book in with our sales consultants. We allocate 2 hours for each and every single Duncan Thompson Extensions customer, where they can really come in with their inspiration, their thought starters, what they see as being their real dream bathroom, and really just kind of delve into the nitty-gritty of it. So in that time, Steve will kind of uncover just the plan, and really that's the surface level of what's the real opportunity in that plan that we can create an amazing bathroom. From there, we'll go through all sorts of inspiration and do really a thorough selection in terms of from tapware, toilets, down to vanities or baths, which are really fantastic. We work quite seamlessly with the Duncan Thompson Extensions team to ensure that they have full transparency at every step of the road.